Ugh. I thought it was like a chunk. It was like a little piece of ice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mish the Artiste, Michelle from Mish the Artiste. I don't know how you say that. Today we're gonna be filming this super cute, limey, neon, whatever you wanna call it, summery look. If you guys wanna see how I created this, please hit that like, subscribe button down below. Keep watching, do your thing, you know, show me some love. I would love to hear all of your ideas. If you guys have anything, please let me know. This is like cute little backyard barbecue styles. Oh, why is my computer always on in the background? Why are looking cute? I feel like it was actually probably cuter before. What's going on here? I can't wait until dollar drink days. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my skincare. I'm just gonna do a little Goldlite strobe cream. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush that I got from Walmart for like $10. It's actually one of my favorite brushes. And I'm just gonna put that on. Actually, that reminds me, I'll go close my window. And we're focusing again. Now I'm gonna go in with my C3 Face and Body favorite foundation. Everybody knows that. It just, it's like the perfect amount of coverage. There we go, that looks better. Now I'm gonna take my Shapetape in light medium sand. I love the mixture of these two because this gives me the coverage where I want, which is just right under the eyes and just center the face a little bit. I'm gonna pop some on my Joe. Perfect. And then just blend that shit out. I'm pretty much gonna use this brush for almost everything today. I like to dry my brush up as I go, just so it kind of soaks up the excess product, so you're not left with too much. Shapetape is literally one of my favorite concealers because that shit will hide all your damn secrets. Okay, so that's pretty much our base down. Now, I'm just gonna take a little bit of Face and Body in N7. And I'm gonna use that for my bronzer. I may have put too much. Whatever, we're fucking doing it. Let me see if I can take that off. Just pop it up here. I'm gonna really dry my brush off before I do this then. See, it always looks like it's gonna be so much, but I'm gonna actually go quite heavy with my bronzer today, just cause I am feeling summery. People in my building are probably like, what the fuck is this girl doing? Can we, I don't know what the kids do these days. Why do they even call it dabbing? I never understood that. This stuff honestly blends like butter. See, the Shapetape will cover up all your secrets. This bronzer is like a secret. Like nobody has to know that I'm not actually this tanned. Okay. Now I'm just gonna set my under eyes and a little bit on the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose in Fair Light. I actually adore this powder. It is so lovely. I actually never used to bake my face because I was like, it doesn't make that much of a difference. It fucking does. Especially when you're gonna put powders around this. If you set, kind of like I set like the center of my face, so I'm gonna do my bronzer in a second. But it's good because then the bronzer attaches really nicely to the places that weren't really set per se. So I'm gonna go in with Spring Bling Highlight Powder by MAC. I'm gonna use a 137 brush for this. This brush has seen better days, but whatever. I love this because it's so soft. Damn, I'm just gonna blend the shit out of that. Yes, this powder is actually quite on the red side, so I'm not gonna go too ham with it. It's very buttery though. This powder is very, very buttery. Buttery. Yes, bronzer. Oh, I feel like a new fucking person. I'm just gonna take that brush I used and just literally pop it over top just so everything blends together. I cannot stand when you can see any lines in makeup. Now I'm gonna take my Shimmy Peach palette. I love this palette from MAC. It's gorgeous. I'm just gonna do a little sweep of all the colors. Oh, it's like highlights and bronzer at the same time. Everywhere. I'm gonna go in with my Oh Darling skin finish. I could never wear enough highlighter. Cute. Look, I finally have a little button nose. Psych, I definitely don't, but let's pretend I do. Oh, good Lord. I look like somebody's expensive ass wife. Also, I'm using a 224 to do that. So, we're gonna do a little sour lemon look today. I'm gonna be using MAC's new Artist Library palette. These guys are hella pigmented. I'm gonna use Chrome Yellow, which is this beautiful banana color. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M441. Oh yes, okay. Like right away, that pigment is there. This is how all yellow should look. I adore yellow eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I'm gonna blow that out quite far. These shadows, I will say though, they don't necessarily blend the best. You kind of have to like pat them on, kind of, I would say. Like you really have to prime your eyes before you put these on, or else those shits are not blending. Yes. Okay. I'm also gonna use my 217 by MAC, which is, oh sorry, this is not. The M443, these guys are pretty similar. The 441 is much more flexible and the 443 is a little bit more stiff. So I'm gonna take my Kid Could Make That. This color right here, it is gorgeous. And I'm gonna pull off that right on here. My face is itchy, I don't wanna ruin it. I'm gonna mix the two colors so that they can kind of blend together. Ooh, this looking slimy. Wow, that green like went right over that yellow. Delicioso. Ooh, these look hella cute. Okie dokie, I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. I am going to take the color Stroke of Luck by the Morphe, what is this, the Boss Mood palette. It's just a little bit darker. Actually, I'm going to take Stroke of Luck and Express Yoself and just pop that right in the creases. Little some. I'm just taking Express Yoself and putting it right on the outer corners, just to kind of bring my eyes out a little bit. That is beautiful. I'm gonna take that Express Yourself color again and just, oh, that actually went a lot darker than I thought it was. So we're just gonna put a bit of that. Yeah, that was actually a lot darker than I wanted it to be. So let's put a ton of Chrome Yellow and my Kid Could Make That over top, just to lighten it. Oh, there we go. She looking cute. I'm going to attempt, I don't know why, but I have a hard time holding up the mirror and doing my eyeliner, especially because this shirt I'm wearing is super tight on the armpits. I'll get it done. Okay, so I'm gonna take Brushblack eyeliner. Pray for me. Ooh, I'm scared to do this. I'm trying to be super precise so that I don't have to clean it up on the bottom, especially because there's a lot of shadow here. Oh God, this eye sits differently than this one. This one's my good eyeliner eye. This one, my crease comes down a little bit more, and it like gets in the way. Okay. This one's different, but I don't care. We're just gonna pretend that they're even. This one's like way down here. See, if I could throw a pair of lashes on here, I could probably make this happen, but I can't. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. I am going to try to salvage this with a little fast response eye cream by MAC. This stuff is actually a really good eye cream, but it's also really good if you want to remove makeup without kind of totally jacking up the work you've done. Oh, I'm scared. It's not that bad. It's doable. They're a little uneven, but whatever. My whole life is, so whatever. I'm gonna curl the shit out of my lashes now because I was not blessed with those. Oh god, how I just want to shove a fat pair of lashes on this after. I'm gonna take my favorite mascara, Extended Play. I honestly can't see from here. I'm like trying to look into my mirror, which is right here, and I can't. I need contacts. This mascara is so good because it just gives lengthy separated lashes, especially for those who weren't blessed with the longest lashes. That little pause I just did there, I lost my credit card last night and I just realized where I might have lost it. I remember I just paid for the parking downtown and I went to go like put my purse, it's like a little fanny pack thing, and I went to go put the little thing in my car and I leaned over and I guess my purse was still open. I remember my lip gloss fell and I picked it up and like that's all I thought about it, and I just fucking realized that my credit card that's probably dropped right there as well. Good times. Good times. This is why I can't be trusted holding on to important things. Oh well. I need a new mascara because my mascara is getting dry. Yeah, girl, yeah. I'm also actually gonna put a little bit of freckles on my face. I usually do this after everything just so none of the powders go over top or anything. So I'm gonna be using my Shape and Shade brow tints by MAC. These guys are awesome. I actually use them for my brows, both colors. I'm gonna do a separate video for that just so I can get like a little close-up, have it like a little 5-minute video or whatnot. I am feeling this look. I'm gonna use, it has like a little shadowy side and a little marker side. I'm just gonna use the markers and I'm just gonna, I have literally been obsessed with freckles lately, and then I just push my finger over them while they're still kind of drying. This color is called Spiked, by the way. It's a little bit more of a darker brown, more chocolatey. I love this, especially in the summertime when people's freckles start naturally coming out. I love them. I even honestly like put them on little pieces right by my eyes. Like they're so cute. So that was Spiked. Now I'm gonna take Fling and do the same thing. This one's a little bit lighter. I don't know why, but this side always goes on darker. I had this on one day and my dad saw me. He's like, oh my god, you need a facial, like so many blackheads. I was like, now I'm just gonna, is this broken? I hope not. Oh my god, did I drop it yesterday? Okay, anyways, I'm going to set my makeup with the Goldlite Fix Plus. This stuff is awesome. It's so cute. It gives a little bit of a gold glow. Ow. Now I'm gonna finish off with my lip. I don't know. Oh, my battery is about to die, fuck. Crisis averted. Oh my god. So I almost just ran out of battery. That would have been a disaster. I don't know if I'm going to like this lip, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I usually love my lips really nude. I'm gonna try something a little bit more peachy today. So I'm gonna use Boldly Bare liner from MAC. I think this will be okay. We'll see. It is so hot. It is so hot in my apartment that this is literally like cream. Yeah, I think this will be okay. We'll see. That's way darker than I wanted it to be. I honestly might just remove this. We'll see. I'm gonna use Anastasia liquid lipstick in Naked. I'm gonna really layer this on here so it like covers this peach. Oh, it might be okay then. It might be okay. That's actually quite nice. Okay. It is more peachy than I would have liked, but you know what? It's okay. I'm just gonna take my, that's not my 212. I'm gonna take my 212 brush and just kind of clean up the bottom. And then I'm gonna load some fucking gloss on here. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Like, do I have any lipstick on my teeth? I'm gonna take Mystic Powers Lip Gloss by MAC. This stuff, are you ready? I'm gonna like just, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just load her on there. Can you see that? I can. And I'm blind. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, this lip, I can't.